Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of QR codes and discovering how to create them effortlessly with Canva. QR codes, those mysterious squares linking print to digital in a flash, can be used for promoting your business, sharing social media profiles, or adding a playful touch to your art. So, buckle up and get ready to boost your reach with these handy squares. Before we embark on this magical journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. This way, you'll never miss out on my latest creative tips and tricks. Now, let's unlock the secrets of QR codes in Canva. First things first, open Canva and pick your canvas size. Need a striking poster? Go for it. Flyers, business cards, or even social media graphics are all fair game. In this example, we'll be creating a QR code on a poster. Ready to unleash the app magic? On the left sidebar, open the Apps panel. Search for QR code and click Open. This is where the QR code creation begins. Now, the fun part. Enter the website, social media profile, or any other link you want the QR code to scan to. Remember, it can be anything you desire. Whether it's your portfolio, Instagram page, or a hidden message, the possibilities are endless. Click Generate and watch Canva work its magic. As if by fairy dust, your very own QR code appears. Boom, just like that. Time to personalize your QR code. Click the Theme dropdown and choose a color scheme that matches your design or brand. Feeling particularly artistic, you can even adjust individual colors for a truly unique and eye-catching code. Print your design, share it online, and watch your audience scan their way to exciting discoveries. Remember, the possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to stay ahead of the curve with the latest Canva hacks and creative tips. Together, let's explore the wonderful world of design and unlock its potential. Happy creating, everyone.